Hey everybody, Dan here, and I'm going to unbox this package full of stuff from MRP, Martin Racing Performance, if you didn't know that already. They sell accessories and parts for like dirt bikes, go-karts, mainly scooters. So yeah, uh, get to it. Alright, here's like some pamphlets of rollers and variator stuff, I think. Just showing some of our accessories and pipes. They sell a lot of aftermarket stuff, so that's really what they sell, actually, so yeah. Nice stuff here. This is... I'm not really sure what this is. I think it's to show what they sell for this specific type of scooter, or CF Moto Power Sports is what they sell for that. Nice stuff. I'm assuming this is a poster. Just gonna cut this. Oh yeah. That. 3 of those. And my pamphlet stuff. Stuff looks really good there. Probably spent some time on that. This is an off-road buggy go-kart air filter racing stack. See that? This is for GY6 go-karts, so I'm guessing this will fit online. I'm gonna open that up in a minute. A hat. Awesome. Foam's all over it. Here's a shirt. Pretty sweet. Hopefully y'all can see that. I think that's it. Yep, that's it. And now I will open the air filter stack. Huge. It's awesome. Really nice. Really, really nice. Definitely quality stuff here they sell and make. So that's pretty much it. There you go. Thank you MRP for sending me this stuff, and yeah. All right. See you guys later. Bye.